morning, everyone. My name is Weedson from Weedson Phones, and today I'm very happy to share with you ideas of repairing. If you are having iPhone 5 and you want to replace your screen by yourself, not going to give it to anyone to collect any big amount from you. So I'll show you everything, every step by step. So just follow the video. Okay, so right now what we have here is the camera. We are going to fix the camera and to the new screen. You do it like this, so that slowly. Yeah. Now I have my front camera here. The cover of the front camera. We are going to put it back. This is the front camera. You can see, very easy to fix. So right now we are going to fix the speaker, the earpiece, the one that will allow you to make calls. If you want to hear this one too, you have to fix it very seriously so that you not damage the cable. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is to screw back the nut. Screw back the nut. This back the plate. This is the plate that will protect the back of the screen in case of any dropping or anything that will protect the screen. You just do it easily because it can break at any time. So do it carefully. Yeah. As you can see. Like that. Okay, now we are done fixing the plate. Now we screw the plate all over. This magnet is disturbing it. Okay. I'm going to screw back the plate. As you can see, the speaker is pulling back the screw. You can see the magnet. Okay, I have to use my tweezer to put it in. So you see, very powerful magnet. Okay. Now screw it back. And the small ones too. You have to screw all of them. This is the phone. Zippers